Omusango gw'okuna era nagwo gwa butemu nga kigambirwa nti Christopher Okeronyum ng'ennaku z'omwezi 2 ogwokuna 2026 egaba Early Childhood Development Center mu Gaba Trading Zone, Gaba Parish, Makindye Division, Kampala District ng'olina ekigendererwa Wata Odeke Ryan. Era bamubuuziza n'agamba nti omusango aguwulidde naye teyagukola.
My Lord, we have some agreed evidence between prosecution and the defense. My learned colleague will present it.
Before then, I want to hear from the defense whether it is true you have some agreed evidence.
My Lord, it is true. We have some agreed evidence to be on court record.
Ms. Kiza, before you come on, I want to hear from you, Mr. Kumbuga, whether you have discussed those agreed facts with Mr. Okello.
My Lord, it's true. We have discussed the agreed facts with the accused person and he consented to it.
Mr. Okello, your lawyers and the lawyers for the state are saying that there is some evidence they have agreed upon, and what that means is that when they agree on some piece of evidence, there will be no need to call the witnesses that speak to that kind of evidence. The witnesses may not need to be called physically. So your lawyer tells me that he has explained that to you. I want you to confirm to the court that they have explained that and you are agreeable to having this evidence submitted.
Yes, my lord. I'll confirm that my lawyer has explained to me the facts about the agreed evidence, and yes, it should be usable in court. That's what I would like to say, my lord.
Baloya aba government ne baloya ba Misiviti kino bakikola obutayagala kuyita abajulizi aboogera obujulizi obukwata ku buwandiiko oba obujulizi bwe bakkaanyizaako okuleeta mu kooti.
So as that evidence is being read out, I want you to listen very carefully, because at the end of it, I will require all of us to sign on that document which has agreed evidence. So please listen carefully. Yes, Ms. Kiza.
The agreed evidence, my lord, is in respect of
I want to be sure that other people are hearing.
okay.
Are you hearing us? Let's try to be audible enough.
Just lower it a little. Lower the microphone. There. Hello? Okay. I can do it. Thank you.
Era postmortem enamba bagiwa 11-02/2026 nti emirambo bagitwala mu mochari Mulago, era ono etuku Gideon bamukebera nga 2/4/2026 era yamukebera omusawo bamuyita Katongole Abdul. Etiku Gideon nti yali mwana mulenzi nga yali mu nasale oba preschool nti bwe bamukebera yali alina amannyo 21 ng'alina 11 waggulu 10 wansi nti omulambo gwali gunyogoga nga gupeeruuse nti bwe bamukebera ne basanga yali alina ekiwundu bali bamusaze ku bulago ekiwundu kyali kiwanvu nga kyenkana sentimita 17 nti era bwe bayongera okukebera ne basanga nti bwe bamufumita airway oba waita empewo gye tussa mwalimu omusaayi nga gwesibidde omwo era n'akomekereza ng'agamba nti omwana ono kyamuviirako okufa yavaamu omusaayi mungi olw'ensonga nti baali bamusaze obulago. Omusawo yasayininga n'ateekako sitampu ya mulago mortuary. Ekiwandiiko ekyokubiri era nayo post ekebejja omulambo gwa Keisha Agenworth Otim ng'ennaku z'omwezi 2 ogwokuna 2026 era omusawo oyo omu Dr. Katongole Abdul bwe yakebera omwana ono yali omwana omuwala nga yali alina emyaka egy'okubeera mu nasale era nti omulambo gwali gunyogoga nga gupeeruuse ono yali alina amaanyo 12 nti naye bamufumita mu bulago era ekiwundu kyali kyenkana sentimita 9 nti bamukebera bwe yamukebera n'asanga nti bwe bamufumita nnyo nga kye bamufumisa kyayingira mu mubiri nekikwata ku misiwa egisinga egy'obulago era n'agamba nti ekyamuviirako okufa yavaamu omusaayi mungi olw'ekiwundu kye yatuusibwako ku bulago n'amala n'asayininga n'ateekako sitampu y'eddwaliro oba mortuary.
My Lord, the third piece of agreed evidence is also a postmortem report, Police Form 48B. My Lord, this is postmortem number 1101 of 2026. This, my Lord, is postmortem is in respect of Siyeyabatta Ignatius, who is a male juvenile of preschool age. This postmortem was conducted by Dr. Katongole Abdul on the 2nd of April 2026. The doctor found the body of Siyeyabatta to be cold and with primary flaccidity, and it was severely pale. Evidence of trauma. There was a 14-centimeter long open wound on the right side of the neck, which was longer than it was deep. This wound was located at 69 centimeters from the right heel. My Lord. 69 centimeters from the right heel and 4 centimeters from the anterior midline. The wound was characterized by smooth edges and regular margins. The wound extended to the back of the neck in a horizontal plane. In a horizontal plane, my lord. The wound was deep, transecting through the skin fascia. Fascia, my lord, is FASCIA. And underlying neck muscles, comma, injuring the internal jugular vein, comma, vega